In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check keyword cannibalization in Semrush. Keyword cannibalization is a common issue where multiple pages on your website compete for the same keyword, which can dilute your site's overall search performance. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily identify and tackle this issue using Semrush. The first thing you want to do is open up your preferred web browser and search for Semrush. Once you have it open, the next step is to log in if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to sign up to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be setting up a project specifically for your domain within Semrush's position tracking tool. This will serve as a dedicated workspace for monitoring your site's keyword performance. After setting up your project, it's time to add the target keywords you want to track. These are the words or phrases that are most relevant to your content and are essential for monitoring your site's rank and visibility. Once you've completed the setup, navigate over to the Cannibalization tab in the Position Tracking Report. Here, you'll receive a comprehensive cannibalization health score. This score will provide you with insights into where your site stands and help you pinpoint the pages that might be competing against each other for the same keywords. To delve deeper, examine the Keywords and Pages tabs. This will help you spot which specific keywords are being targeted by multiple pages and identify the pages that are ranking for the same keywords. This is crucial for understanding where your site's internal competition lies. Semrush makes it easy to manage this data by providing filters and sorting options. Use these features to hone in on potential problem areas and prioritize which pages need to be optimized to eliminate keyword cannibalization. For a more thorough analysis, let's pivot to Semrush's organic research tool. Enter your domain and navigate to the Positions report. Once you're there, export the keyword data as a CSV file. This file will provide a detailed look at your ranked keywords and associated URLs. Open your CSV file in Excel or another spreadsheet application. Here, you can use conditional formatting to highlight duplicate keywords. This visual aid will quickly reveal if there are multiple URLs competing for the same set of keywords, indicating possible cannibalization. By following these steps, you can systematically identify areas for improvement in your site's keyword strategy. Regular checks using Semrush can significantly enhance your SEO efforts by preventing your own pages from competing with one another. Follow these steps diligently, and you'll be on your way to maximizing the organic performance of your website. Thank you for tuning in, and happy optimizing.